Hello, and welcome to the program called Raising Up the Next Generation of Purposeful Leaders, Unlocking Your Path to Purpose. My name is Gray Hoff, and over the next 2 weeks, we're going to be going on a journey together to help you discover your purpose in life. Before we begin, I wanted to welcome you, and I also wanted to share two really important things with you. First, I want you to know and to remember that each of you have an incredible purpose, a dream that God has placed inside your heart. The question isn't, do I have a purpose? The question is, what is my purpose? And then what am I going to do about it? Second, the information, the content in this program is being presented to you like a gourmet meal. You don't sit down and eat a beautiful meal quickly. You savor, you enjoy, you appreciate the experience. The content of this workshop is an experience. It's meant to help you reflect on and consider your purpose. Don't rush through it. Take the time to really learn about yourself and learn about what are the things that matter to you. What are the things that make up your purpose? Each of you are an incredible leader in the making. And I really believe that once you find your purpose, you will grow as a leader that God can use to change the world in an incredible way. So I'm really excited for you, and I cannot wait for you to get started. Go ahead and start with day one, and I cannot wait to see all of the wonderful things you learn about your purpose.